What's up everybody, it's Mark from 403 Fauna. Welcome to the vlog. Now if you have a collection of ball pythons, you may have noticed that if you feed regularly, the animals are going to shed regularly, and they might even go on the same shed cycle. Well, on this week's episode, I wanted to share with you some males that have shed at the same time. I also want to give you an update on the snakes that are in the incubator. One of them just shed out and it's really exciting. So kick back and listen in and enjoy this week's vlog. Before we start today's video, I want to apologize for the bubbling you hear in the background. It's because of this biological filter in my aquarium. Also, my neighbors just so happen to be revving their cars today. So if you hear any strange sounds, it's not me. And there goes the revs, which caused my dog to bark. Up first, we have an Inchi pinstripe pied from Kittinger Reptiles. Now both Inchi and pinstripe create a low white pied, and you can see with this guy, he has very little white, and he's just shed, and he's kind of got a greenish tone to him. I don't know if the camera's gonna show that very well, but the pinstripe makes him super clean. A few dotting here and there. Look at this belly, a completely white pied belly. And he is also 100% het hypo. So pretty cool project, double recessive project. Inchi pinstripe pied het hypo from Kittinger Reptiles. So let's take a look at Cornelius here, the pinstripe desert ghost, 66% possible het clown. Now this guy is supposed to be my big hitter in the collection, but unfortunately he did not want to do work this season, and that's fine. I love him anyway. But yeah, so one of my major goals is to create a desert ghost clown. I really think this guy will prove out. I mean, he's got pretty much clown tears on the side here. Look at that. Beautiful white sides. And Desert Ghost is super amazing. And I've got a ton of it in my collection because of how awesome they are. So once again, Cornelius, pinstripe Desert Ghost, 66% possible het clown. Now I absolutely love Cornelius, but there's a small chance that he is not clown. 34% chance to be exact. So I've been keeping my eye on Morph Market for a backup male. So let's take a look at my Morph Market pick of the week. This week's Morph Market pick of the week is a Pastel Clown Het Desert Ghost, 50% possible Het Hypo from Natural State Exotics. Now, if this animal is still around after I get my tax return, it's going to be mine, so you better grab it before I do. Here we have Yehua. Yehua is a Pastel GHI Mojave Leopard that is 100% het VPI Axanthic and 50% het piebald. Now, early on in my breeding stages here as 403 Fauna, I really wanted to get into the VPI Axanthic pieds, and this guy was one of my first purchases, and I think he'll prove out pied. He does have a little bit of a ringer going on right here that we can see. And I think he'll prove out there's some tracks there as well. But look at how crazy the pattern is on this guy. He is absolutely stunning. Pattern, color, everything makes this guy incredibly beautiful. So once again, Yehua, Pastel, Mojave, GHI, Leopard, 100% het VPI, 50% possible het piebald. Last male that we're going to look at that shed out for us is Storm, the Banana Black Pastel VPI Axanthic. Now this guy is celebrating his Gotcha Day this month, so let's say happy Gotcha Day to Storm here. In fact, let's take a look at a picture of him when I first got him. So as you can see, the amount of dots has increased incredibly. So bananas, as they age, gain more dots. And the fact that he has black pastel and VPI Axanthic, I think it's keeping that contrast. In fact, the purple pinkish areas here, super beautiful. The yellows are muted, but pretty bright because of that VPI axanthic. And this guy's an incredible snake, absolutely beautiful. One of the most stunning snakes in my collection. You can see why bananas are super popular. One of the most popular morphs. So once again, Storm, Banana, Black Pastel, VPI axanthic. I got him from Eric Markstaller of Exotic Designs Reptiles. It's Support Sunday, and on my vlog, I'd like to introduce you to my fellow YouTubers who are putting out consistent quality videos. This week, I'd like to share with you Celtic Balls. Let's check them out. Throw it back on.
Oh, your screenshot? Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's so
Oh, he's got an attitude?
Jeff and Angie, thank you so much for taking us on that tour of Tinley. I really like to go one day and meet all the wonderful people that are there. For everybody else, be sure to check out their page. I've linked their YouTube and their Instagram below. Be sure to give a follow while you're there. I really love the music that they play on their videos, and they've got a really nice collection too. Now let's get an update on the first clutch of 2022 here at 403 Fauna. We've got a little window there. You could actually see some pattern. That's pretty cool. So this one's definitely ready to go out. I could feel it moving in there. Let's take a sneak peek. Oh, there's actually the belly with the yolk right there, still being absorbed. I can't see the pattern. There's the little nose taking its first breath. Yeah, can't see the pattern on that one. So we'll just leave him or her there. Come out on its own. Another window. That's pretty cool. Now it's funny because when I got all these eggs, initially they didn't have windows, so looks like windows develop through the process, right? So let's get an update on the babies that have been chilling in the incubator. See if anybody have shed out yet. Oh, we got a couple of sheds. Actually, we have one shed. And oh my gosh, look at how absolutely bright this animal is. Wow. That is absolutely beautiful. Amazing. Take a look at that belly. Head stamp. So I don't know whether this guy is sulfur or vanilla. I'm gonna do a video later trying to identify them, but beautiful. I'm gonna set this guy up in an egg in his regular box soon. In fact, I'll do that later today. All the other guys are deep in blue. Actually, is this guy? Yeah, that guy looks like he still needs a shed too. So we do have one shed, others deep in blue. That one that shed is the one that was out first, and he was out like 2 days before the other ones came out, so I'm really excited to see that. So here goes a look at the home for this new little one. Pretty simple, just paper towels, hide, and water bowl. And here is the new little one. Oh my gosh. How do you guys not want to hold everything back? Because I look at this and I'm like, I want it, it's mine. So this is either an ember or vanilla, yellow belly. Let's go ahead and sex it real fast. Oh, we got a male. All right. So maybe my popping skills aren't too bad. I didn't sex this one last time. So this one is a male. And you know what? I do want a male ember. So this might be a holdback. We'll see. It might even be a vanilla. I do want an ember, but man, look at that. I love it. Look at the pattern. Dorsal pops. Beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead, little one. Now stay tuned for Wire Wednesday, and I'll feed this guy, and we'll hopefully see him eat. All the other ones should be out by then as well, so tune in on Wednesday. Thank you for joining me on this week's video. I hope that excitement of cutting eggs and watching them after their first shed never gets old. Like I mentioned in the video, check in on Wire Wednesday for an update on the rest of the babies. Have a great week, everybody. Take care.